Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with class 10 pair of linear equations in two variables. In this I have done earlier do these sums. Now textbook page 87 you have got examples. Example 4. In a garden there are some bees and flowers. If one bee sits on each flower, one bee will be left. If one bee is sitting upon each flower, one bee will be left. Means it is not having any flower to sit. If two bees sit on each flower, one flower will be left. In each flower, if two bees are sitting, one flower will be left. Find the number of bees and the number of flowers. So here, for the sake of understanding, I have given small symbols and to give a good explanation, I am doing this, children. Let the number of bees X. I have represented them as stars. Number of flowers as Y, a line. So according to the problem, what does the problem says? If one bee sits on one flower, one bee is left. That means what? Bees I have taken X. X is nothing but number of flowers plus 1. Because here all these are same, but one is left behind. So this plus 1 becomes equal. X is equal to Y plus 1. That means X minus Y is minus 1 is equal to 0. Consider it as a first equation. Now second one, what they said? If two bees are sitting on each flower. See, two bees are here, two bees are here. One bee is left behind. That means equation is X is equal to 2 times of Y minus 1. Why 1 here? Because 1 is left. So this into 2 is this. This into 2 is this. But it has no base. So Y minus 1. So that means X is equal to 2Y minus 2. That means X minus 2Y plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 when it when I brought this side, my plus 2y becomes minus 2y, minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay, now let us, I have taken this in the graph because the solution should be done in the graph. So I have taken the equation X, first equation X minus 1 minus Y minus 1 is equal to 0. That means Y is equal to, I send this Y right side, X minus 1 is equal to Y. So ordered pairs, what I have taken? I have taken X is equal to 2. If X is equal to 2, Y is equal to X minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 2 and 1. X is equal to 3 if I take 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 3 and 2. These are the equations that I have got it here. Now let us see the second equation. X minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. That means X plus 2 is equal to 2y. When I send it here, minus 2y becomes plus 2y. Y is equal to X plus 2 by 2. So I have taken X value as 0. Y is equal to 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 1. So 0 and 1. And Y, X is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. 4 and 3. So let us represent this in the graph. So here in the graph, I have taken X values and Y values. See the scale on X axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit and on Y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now this is the graph that I have taken. So 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2 I have to represent. See 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2. So this is the line that I have got. X minus Y minus 1 is equal to 0. And the next equation is 0 comma 1, 4 comma 3. So 0 comma 1, 4 comma 3. See, this is the line that I have got. So this equation is, what is this equation? X minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this I have forgotten. X minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation. But see children, these two equations are intersecting at a point. What is this point? 4 and 3. So the solution is 4 comma 3. So here X value is 4, Y value is 3. So basing on this, what is the interpretation? Solution is 4 comma 3. That means 4 is X. X is a number of bees. and y is 3, that is number of flowers are 3. This is how you can do this, children, this problem. So solving the equations you can do by using the graph in this way. So this is on the whole graph, children. You do it in your book, you will be getting it. Now the next problem, example 5. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 32 meters. If the length is increased by 2 meters and the breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area of the plot remains the same. Find the length and breadth of the line. So, see, length of the line is L, breadth is B meters. So, perimeter is formula 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into L plus B is perimeter, area is L into B. According to the problem, they have given perimeter. How much 2 into L plus B is equal to 32. Means what? L plus B is, I send this 2 here, 32 by 2, that is 16. L plus B is 16. That means L plus B minus 16 is equal to 0 is one equation. Next, if length is increased by 2 meters, then what will be the length? L plus 2 meters. If breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the breadth will be B minus 1 meter. So what is the area? L into B. L plus 2 into B minus 1. L into B, LB, plus 2 into B, 2B, minus 1 into L minus L, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So this is what you are getting when you open this, when you multiply this. According to the problem, LB plus 2B minus L minus 2 is equal to LB. Why did I take this? Because in the problem they said that, see, what is the given here? If length is increased by 2 meters and breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area of the plot remains same, they said. That means this plot actually L and B measures, area is L into B. Here we have got area as this, but these two are equal, they have given. So when I equalize it, LB will get cancelled. So 2B minus L minus 2 is equal to 0 is second equation. So L plus B minus 16 is equal to 0 is the first equation which we have got it here, children. So B is equal to 16 minus L. So I have taken L as 2. If I take L as 2, B is equal to 16 minus 2, that is 14. 2 comma 14. If I take L as 4, B is equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12. 4 comma 12. So these are the values that I have got. Here the second equation I have got 2b minus L minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 2b is equal to L plus 2, minus it becomes plus, minus becomes plus here. So b is equal to L plus 2 by 2. That means if L is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 plus 2 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. So 2 comma 2. If L is equal to 4, B is equal to 4 plus 2 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3, 4 comma 3. So now let us see in the graph. See children, in the graph again, here I have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter is 2 units and on y-axis also 1 centimeter is 2 units. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that I have taken on x-axis, minus 2, minus 4 here, 2, 4, 6 and all here, and minus 2, minus 4 so on here. So the equation 1 is 2 comma 14, 4 comma 16, 2 comma 14. So the first equation, this is the 2, this is 14. And the second one 4 comma 12. So this is the line that I have got. L plus B minus 16 is equal to 0. Now the second equation is 2 comma 2, 4 comma 3. So 2 comma 2, 4 comma 3. So this is the line that I have got. So the equation is 2L, 2B minus L, 2B minus L minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation. So you have got this. Now these two lines are intersecting at this point. What is this point? See, x value 10, y value 6. X is nothing but you have got 10, that is L, and y is b 6. So solution is solution 10 comma 6. So length is 10 meters, breadth is 6 meters. So this is the graph, children, that you are getting. So please note it down. In the graph we have done it. So in your book totally I am showing it like this. In this way you will be getting. Please do it in your graph, you will get it. Now children, in this same chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1. This 4.1, first problem. By comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, state whether the lines represented by the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel, or coincident. Any one of these, which is that you have to do. I have already explained you about this, children, in your previous video. If you have any doubt you can go through it. Now basing on those formulae we are going to learn whether the two lines are intersecting at a point, or they don't have any solutions so they are parallel, or they have many solutions so they are coincident. So first one, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. These are the two equations given. So a1 by a2 is equal to, a1 is coefficient of x, a2 is coefficient of x of second equation. So 5 by 7. Similarly, b1 by b2. b1 is coefficient of y, first equation, for first equation. b2 coefficient of y for second equation. So minus 4 by 6. So minus 2 by 3 I am getting. C1 plus 8 and C2 minus 9, minus 8 by 9 you will be getting. So you don't have any here. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, they are, I told you, consistent and independent. So that means what? The lines intersect. So you have got this equation, this property I have told you, children, earlier: consistent and independent. Consistent and independent means the lines intersect at a point, because in this he is only asking you state whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, parallel or coincident, he is asking. So I'm only writing whether they intersect or they are parallel. I'm not writing the rule name, children, but I'm saying you now here it is consistent and independent equations these are. Next, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is 12 by 24, 1 by 2. So see, all these are 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So all are equal means what? The lines are coincident. Coincident in the sense what? What do you mean by coincident? Here they have given coincident. That means they have many solutions. So they lie one upon the other. So this is the second one. As they have asked in the question, I have written here, children. Now third one. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is 6 by 2, that is 3. That is 3 by 1. b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 1. No coefficient means 1. That is again 3 by 1. C1 by C2 is 10 by 9. So A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are equal, but C1 by C2 is not equal. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. That means if this equation occurs, there are no solutions for it. So the lines are parallel. So I hope I am clear, children. So these are the solutions of the first problem. Please note it down. First problem solutions. Now exercise 4.1 second problem, children. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. solve them graphically. First you have to check by using the formula whether they are consistent or inconsistent, then we have to solve even in graph. So let us see the equation. First one, a bit, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. First equation. This means what? You can write 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Second one, 2x minus 3y plus 7. 3x plus minus 3y is equal to 7. That means, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Means 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, first let us see equations. a1 by a2, 3 by 2. b1 by b2, 2 by minus 3. That means minus 2 by minus 3 means, sorry children, this is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So what you are getting, children? This is 2, children, please don't get confused. 2 by 3. Okay. So now a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means the lines are consistent and independent. They have only one solution. So I have taken 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. That means 2y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x by 2. So x is equal to 3. I have taken 5 minus 9 by 2. That is minus 4 by 2 minus 2. So 3 comma minus 2. So again I have taken x value as 5. So that 5 minus 15 by 2, that is minus 10 by 2 minus 5. 5 minus 5. These are the 2 points I have got. Now for the second equation, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 7 is 3y. Y is having minus sign, so I send it here. Y is equal to 2x minus 7 by 3. So I took y is equal to 2x minus 7 by 3. X value is minus 1. So minus 2 minus 7 I have got. That is minus 9 by 3 minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 3. And here x is equal to 2 I have taken. Then y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 7 by 3. That is 4 minus 7 by 3. That is minus 3 by 3 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 I am getting. Okay. Now this I have kept it in this equation, children. So let us see the equation part here. See, this is the scale that I have taken. I have not written here, children. Scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis, 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So here, see the first equation, 3 comma minus 2, 5 comma minus 5. So 3 comma minus 2 is here. Then 5 comma minus 5 is here. So this is the equation. The line that I have got. This is the line that I have got. And second one is, what is the second equation? Minus 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 1. So this is the equation, second equation. These two equations are meeting at this point. So this point is x value. You will be getting this here 2.2. One line is left behind in between. You can see carefully, children, 2.2. And y is 0.9 here. This line is 0.9. One line before it is intersecting. This point is intersecting. So 2 comma 2 minus 0.9. That is the solution. So here what you will write? The two lines are intersecting at 2 comma 2 minus 0 comma 9. Therefore, they are in. There is an unique solution. Only one solution. Unique means only one. So the lines are consistent and independent. So this is the solution that you will be getting for this problem, children. Please note it down. If you do in the graph, you will be getting like this. Now, 4.1 exercise, second problem, B bit, children. The equation is 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 3x minus 3y is equal to 8, which means 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9, that is 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? Minus 3 by minus 6, that is 1 by 2. So what are we getting? C1 by C2, how much? 8 by 9. 8 by 9 we have got. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. This means what? This means the equations are inconsistent. There is no consistency in the equations. So basing on this, let us see the graph. So inconsistent in the sense what, children? Equations are inconsistent means there won't be any solutions. Then the lines are parallel you will be getting. So let us see in the graph. 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. That means what I am getting? Minus 3y, I brought it here. 2x minus 8 is equal to 3y. That means y is equal to 2x minus 8 by 3. So I have taken y is equal to 2x minus 8 by 3. So if x is equal to 4, then y is x 2 into 4 minus 8 by 3. That is 8 minus 8 by 3. That is 0. So 4 comma 0 is first equation. Now the first value, first ordered pair. Next, I took x as 7. 2 into 7 minus 8 by 3, that is 14 minus 8 by 3, that is 6 by 3, that is 2. 7 comma 2. So this is 7 comma 2. Okay. Now the next equation is 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 9 is 6y. Y is equal to 4x minus 9 by 6. So what is x? I have taken x value as 3. If I take x value as 3, y is equal to 4 into x 3 minus 9 by 6. That is 12 minus 9 by 6. That is 3 by 6. That is 0.5. So 3 comma 0.5. Then y is equal to 6, then if x is equal to 6, y is 4 into 6 minus 9 by 6, 24 minus 9 by 6, that is 15 by 6, that is 5 by 2 is 2.5. 6 and 2.5 are the second equation. So I have kept those equations here in the graph, children. Scale, I took x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So first equation 4 comma 0. So this is the point 4 comma 0. Next 7 comma 2. So this is 7 and this is a 2 y-axis. So this is 7 comma 2. So this is the line that I have got. This line is 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now the second one 3 and minus 5. This is minus 0.5, sorry, 3 and 0.5. So it is 3 and this is 5. This is center line is 5. So 0.5 it is, because this is 1. So in between 1 and 0, you will be getting 0.5. Next 6 and 2.5. So this is 6. This is 1, 2, 2.5 is this. So this is the line that I have got. 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. See, the two lines are parallel. So I have written the solution here. The two lines are parallel. So the equations are inconsistent, means they will not intersect at any point. So this is the solution, children. Please note it down. Do it in the graph. Now C bit, children. C bit is 3x, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3, y is equal to 7, 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. These are the two equations. So first I have taken this rational numbers we have got, no, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3, y is equal to 7. What I did, I took LCM here, 6. That means 3 2 3s are 3 3s are 9x plus 3 2s are 3 5s are 2 5s are 10y is equal to 7. That means 9x plus 10y is equal to 6. When it comes here, 6 into 7, 42. So the equation I have converted it like this. 9x plus 10y is equal to 42, which implies 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0. Next, when I have gone to the next one, that is second equation, 9x minus 10y plus 12 is 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. That means 9x minus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is 9 by 9, that is 1. b1 by b2 is 10 by minus 1, that is minus 10, that is minus 1 you are getting. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means what? The equations are the equations are they are consistent and independent. The equations are consistent, not in children. The equations are consistent and independent. Okay, the two lines are intersecting, so they are consistent and independent. So graph 9x minus 10y 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0. That means 10y is equal to minus 42. 10y is equal to minus 42 when it goes to the right side, plus 42, plus 9x when it comes to here, minus 9x. So y is equal to 42 minus 9x by 10 I have got. So I took here 42 minus 9x by 10. So if x is equal to 0, 42 minus 9 into 0 by 10, that is 42 by 10 means 4.2 I have got. 0 and 4.2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 42 minus 9 into 2 by 10, that is 42 minus 9 to are 18 by 10, that is 24 by 10, 2.4. So 2 and 2.4 I have got it here. Next, in the second equation, 9x minus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. That is 9x minus 12y is 10y. I brought this minus 10y to this side. So I am getting 10y here. So y is equal to 9x minus 12 by 10. So when I have taken x value as minus 2, y is 9 into minus 2 minus 12 by 10, that is minus 18 minus 12 by 10, minus 30 by 10 I am getting. 18 and 12 if you add 30, that is minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 is one solution for this equation, and one ordered pair I can say. X is equal to 8 I have taken. So y is equal to 9 into 8 minus 12 by 10. That is 72 minus 12 by 10. That is 10 by 60 by 10. That is 6. So 8 comma 6 is the value here. So these two I put it in the graph. So here scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So 0 comma 4 comma 0 and 4.2. So 0 and 4.2. So after 4, 2. This is after, this is 4 and 2 points above it, 2 lines above 4.2. 2 and 2.4. So this is a 2 and 2.4 is this. So this is the line that I have got. 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to how much you have got? 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0. That is the equation you have got. Next one, minus 2 comma minus 3. So this is minus 2, this is minus 3. And 8 comma 6. This is 8 and this is 6. When I have drawn a line, see these two lines are intersecting at a point, that is here on x-axis 3 and on y-axis you have got it is 3 and 1.5 children, it is 1 and the middle one 1.5. So the solution is 3 comma 1.5. So the two lines are intersecting lines. They are intersecting at 3 comma 1.5. So the equations are consistent and independent. So this is how you are going to get the graph, children. Please do it in your graph book. Now C bit, children. D bit, 2D, 5x minus 3y is equal to 11, minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. These are the two equations. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 means 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22 means minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 is equal to 0. So now a1 by a2, 5 by minus 10, minus 1 by 2, b1 by b2, minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2, minus 1 by 22, that is minus 1 by 2. So we are getting a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what you are getting, the equations are consistent. You are getting the same equations, that is same lines you will be getting. One upon the other you are getting. So 5x graph when you do 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0 means 5x minus 11 is equal to 3y, y is equal to 5x minus 11 by 3. So I have taken x value as 2. When x is equal to 2, x value minus 2 when I have taken 5 into minus 2 minus 11 by 3, minus 10 minus 11 by 3, minus 21 by 3, that is minus 7. So minus 2 and minus 7. Next, if I have taken x as 4, 5 into 4 minus 11 by 3, 20 minus 11 by 3, that is 9 by 3. So that is 3 3s are 9, it is 3. So 4 comma 3. Second equation, minus 10 plus 6y plus 22 is equal to 0. So 6y is equal to minus 10x when it comes here plus 10x minus 22. Y is equal to 10x minus 22 by 6. So in this I have taken 2 as common. 2 into 2 5s are 10. So 2 into 5x minus 2 11s are. So 11 by 3. So I have got y is equal to 5x minus 11 by 3. See children, this is also 5 is equal to 5x minus 11 by 3. This is also 5x minus 11 by 3. So what I have written, equations are same. So the ordered pairs also same. We'll be getting same order. The ordered pairs also will be the same. So since the ordered pairs are same, we are getting a single line. This indicates that the lines are coinciding and the equations are consistent and dependent. So if you see the graph here, you see minus 2 comma this is minus 2 comma minus 7, this is the point, and 4 comma 3 is the point. This is the line that I have got. So here again scale also I have written on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So same equation I am getting for same line I am getting for two equations. So I have written two equations here children. So this is the solution. The number of solutions that you are going to get here are infinite solutions. So you are getting infinite solutions, that is why coincident lines children. Please note it down. Now E bit children. E bit is 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 is one equation. That means 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 is first equation. And second one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here 4 by 3x, what I did is I have taken 3 as LCM. I want it rational number to make it this P by Q form I wanted to change. So I have made this as a denominator. So 4x as it is. 2 means 2 by 1, 1 3s are 3 2s are 6, 6y. And 8 means what children? 3 8s are 24 by 3. That means 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0 will be this equation. So a1 by a2, that is how much? a1 is 4, a2 is 2. 4 by 2, that is 2 by 1. b1 by b2, b1 is 6 and b2 is 3. 6 by 3, 2 by 1. c1 by c2, minus 24, minus 12, 2 by 1. So all are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the equations are consistent and dependent. So coincident lines you are getting. This is what our actually it is a basing on the property we are saying this, and in the graph we are showing it. 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. That is 6y is equal to 24 minus 4x. Y is equal to 24 minus 4x by 6. That means I have taken here 2 as common. 2 into 12 minus 2x by 3. So by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So I have got y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. So I have taken x value as 3. If x is equal to 3, 12 minus 2 into 3 by 3, that is 12 minus 6 by 3, that is 6 by 3, that is 2, that is 3 and 2 are the values of x. And if x is equal to 6, if I have taken 12 minus 2 into 6 by 2, 12 minus 12 by, 2 into 6 by 3, 12 minus 12 by 3, 0 by 3, that is 0, 6 comma 0. These are the values that I have got it here. Next one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 means 3y is equal to 12 minus 2x. Y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. Same equations like earlier problem. So the equations are same, the ordered pairs will be same. So since the ordered pairs are same, we are getting single line. So this indicates that the lines are coinciding and equations are consistent and dependent. So when you put it in the graph, what I have got 3 and 2. So this is 3, this is 2. 6 and 0 is this. So that is the line that I have got. Since two equations are here only, I have written the two equations here, arrow marks 2, here arrow marks 2 here. It indicates that these are two equations upon the same line. Again, scale x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and the solutions are infinite. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down and do it in your graph. Now alphabet, children. Second alphabet. X plus y is 5. That means what? X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. What do you mean by this? 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So when you write a1 by a2, 1 by 2. b1 by b2, again 1 by 2. c1 by c2 minus 5 by minus 10, that is again 1 by 2. So all are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the equations are same again, consistent and dependent. So when I take an x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 minus x. Signs will change here. So if I take x as 0, y is 5, 0 comma 5. If x is 2, y is 5 minus 2, 3, 2 comma 3. Now next equation, 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. 2y is equal to, in this I have taken 2 as common, 5 minus x. So y is equal to 2 into 5 minus x by 2. So 2 and 2 have got cancelled. Y is equal to 5 minus x. So these two equations are same. So again the same lines we will be writing. Equations are same. Ordered pairs will be same. So we are getting a line, a single line. This indicates that the lines are coinciding and the equations are consistent and dependent. So when you take the values here, children, 0 and 5 is this, 2 and 3. This is 2, this is 3, 2 comma 3. So this is the line that I have got. I have written the equations, and you see on x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So not down, children. Now 2g sum, children. This is x minus y is equal to 8. That is x minus 2y, x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. That means a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is minus 1 by minus 3 is 1 by 3. c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 16, that is 1 by 2. That means what? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So the equations are inconsistent. So let us say inconsistent means we should get parallel lines. So x minus y is minus 8 is equal to 0, x minus 8 is equal to y. So when I take x as 0, y is minus 8, 0 and minus 8. When I take x as 2, y is minus 6, so 2 and minus 6. Here 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 16 minus 3y, minus 3y I send it here, 3x minus 16 is 3y, y is equal to 3x minus 16 by 3. So if I take x as 0, I have got y value as 0 minus 16 by 3 minus 16 by 3. That means minus 5.3 I got, children. Okay, next y is equal to 2. 3 into 2 minus 16 by 3, that is 6 minus 16 by 3 minus 10 by 3 minus 3.3. 2 and minus 3.3. So now these points I have kept it in the graph. So let us see. 0 and minus 8, 0 and minus 8 is this. And 2 and minus 6, this is 2, this is minus 6. This is the line that you have got for this equation. That is x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0 is the equation. Next one, 0 and minus 5.3. So this is minus 5 here, 5.3 here, and 2 minus 3.3. Minus 3 is here, 3.3 is here. So this is the line that we have got. So two lines are parallel. So since the two lines are parallel, what did you get, children? The lines are inconsistent. You have got it in this way, children. Please note it down. This is G bit. Now H. 2H problem. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. These are the equations that are given. So a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 1 by minus 2 you will be getting. c1 by c2 is 3 by 2. 6 by minus 6 by minus 4 is 3 by 2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the equations are consistent and independent. So 2x plus y minus 6 is 0 means y is equal to 6 minus 2x. I took x value as 0. So y is 6. I am getting. So if x is equal to 2, I have taken y is 6 minus 2 into 2, 4, 2 comma 2. So 0 comma 6, 2 comma 2 I am getting. Now 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 means 4x minus 4 is 2y. 4x minus 4 by 2, this y, 2 I have brought it here. So in this 4x minus 4, 2 I took it as common. 2 into 2x minus 2 by 2 here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So y is equal to 2x minus 2 I have got. I have simplified it. So I have taken 2x minus 2 is equal to y means x value I have taken 0. So y is 2 into 0 minus 2 minus 2. So 0 and minus 2. Next x is equal to 2 means y is 2 to the 4 minus 2, 2, 2 comma 2. So 0 comma minus 2, 2 comma 2. So the equations I have kept it in the graph, children. 0 and 6, 0, this is 0 and x is 0, y is 6. See, y is 6 here. X is 0, y is 6. X is 2, y is 2. So this point, so this is the line that I have got. This is the line that I have got for this equation. And 0 comma minus 2. This is 0 and this is minus 2. And the next one is 2 comma 2. Again this point, same. So the two equations or two lines are intersecting at a point 2 comma 2. So the solution is 2 comma 2. So the scale I have written here, children. On x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit and on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So the equations are consistent, we will be saying, and also independent because they are intersecting at a point. Now 2i, children. 2i, 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 2 by minus 4, that is also 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is minus 2 by minus 5, that is also 2. That is 2 by 5. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So their equations are inconsistent. So they are inconsistent means, let us see the graph. So first equation 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2 is 2y. 2 into, I have taken 2 as common. 2 into x minus 1 is 2y. Y is equal to 2 into x minus 2y by 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. Y is equal to x minus 1. So x is equal to 0 when I take, y is equal to minus 1, 0 and minus 1. X is equal to 2 if I have taken. Y is, what am I getting? X is equal to 2 means how much I am getting? This is y, children, sorry. It's not x. This is y. Y is equal to, this is y. Y is equal to how much are you getting? 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 2 and 1 is this. Okay. Now next equation, 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x minus 5 is 4y. So 4x minus 5 by 4 is y. So I took x as a 0. So 4 into 0 minus 5 by 4, that is minus 5 by 4 I got. Minus 5 by 4 means minus 1.2. So 0 minus 1.2 I have got. And the next one, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8 minus 5 by 3, that is 0.7 I have got. 0.7 I have got. So 2 comma 0.7. Okay. Now let us see the lines that I have drawn. 0 and minus 1 is here. 2 and 1. This is 2 and this is 1. So this is the first line that I have got, children. And the next line is 0 minus 1.2. 0 minus 1.2 is here. And the next one is 2 and 0.7. 2 and 0.7 is here. So this is the second line. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Two lines are very, very near by, children. This equation which I have written, this is for this first equation. The equation is for that line, and this is for the second line, children. So please note it down. This is units also, scale also I have written here. This is I bit of second problem of exercise 4.1. With this I am completing my topic today. In the next class I will be doing the next part.